Hello, this is Brian Shannon from Alpha Trends Blogspot. Today is Thursday, August 23rd, 2007, and on Wall Street today we're looking at shares of Google, symbol GOOG. You can see that the stock, since it came public in 2004, it's been at a very nice uptrend. It's been really holding this trend line very well. If you take the first low there in September of 2004, along with the low of April of 05, it's really hugged that very nicely. Now, just recent on this most recent pullback of about a week ago, we saw it break below that level, but it didn't close below it. Now, this year, the stock has kind of slowed down this rapid ascent that it's had. In fact, it closed out last year at about 485 or so. Let's take a look here on the weekly time frame. It closed last year at 487, and here it is 512 now. So it's up about 25 points, or about 2% for the year. So the rate of ascent seems to have slowed, but it is still undeniably in a great uptrend, and it pulled back to a level of what looks to be pretty good support near that $500 level. Now, again, the shakeout low from last week looks like this level is going to be very important going forward. So I think that below 480 or so, we might see a more sustained move, maybe down to 450 on that weekly time frame. But overall, the stock remains in a fantastic uptrend. Now, the last quarter earnings saw the stock gap down, and as is typical after a gap, a move will typically continue in that direction until about the next quarter or so. So now it just seems as though the stock is in a healing mode right now. And overall, I think that you've got to look at Google basically as neutral right here. But I think the benefit of the doubt does go to buyers because of the fantastic uptrend that it's in overall. And it just kind of seems foolish to bet against Google.